Hello and welcome back to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm the manager of retail services at the Culture and Heritage Museum. I'm going to show you what we have on our online store today. We're going to talk about some tea items that we have in the store, and then I'm going to show you how to make a really fun mason jar flower arrangement that gets really personal with all the different photos that you have in your family. Alright, so let's start some tea talking. We're out here at Brattonville today. And we have some traditional blue and white transferware. First we'll talk about these little teapots here. They have a great classic design with the blue and white, but they're very lightweight. Have a couple different designs. This is a tea for one. It comes like this. You make your tea in your teapot, but then you can pour it into your teacup, and then you put it back on to keep things warm. But we sell a lot of these guys. But it has a really nice bird design on it. Then we have the little children's tea sets. We have a pink set and a blue set, but these are very dainty. These are great little gifts for little girls. But they have a really nice design on them. They're all gold edged, trimmed. But these come as a set. You've got your 2 cups, your sugar and creamer, and the teapot. And it comes on a nice tray. Over here we have the tea strainer. You know, you just rest this on the lip of your mug or your teacup, and if you're using loose tea, you pour the water right over top of it. But we have these beautiful silver-plated tea strainers. This one has the handle here that you can hold over your cup when you're making your tea, and it rests in its own little container there as well. We have some blue and white tea bag holders and shaped like teapots. Those are really cute. Have a little traditional pineapple. And just to throw it in the mix, we did have these salt and pepper shakers that are shaped like pineapple. We do sell the Charleston Plantation tea. They come in the individual bags, the little pyramid bags. But these are wonderful teas from Charleston. If you ever get a chance to go visit the plantation down there, they've got this great gift shop, a great tour. They have a nice, we went there one time and they would show you that they trim the tops of the shrubs in the early spring. But we carry the different kinds. We have the cinnamon spice, green tea, and springtime is really good for the plantation peach tea. All right, today this is really going to be a fun little project you can do. This is really fun to get your family involved. If you're having a party coming up, a family reunion, a wedding, but this is a really good, easy arrangement to do. What you want to do is you want to call your family, get some old pictures of family members, recent pictures, as well as old pictures. So what we're going to do is I have 2 of these made up. You know, mason jars are still very trendy today. But I decided to up it a little bit and take the lid of the jar and fix a picture in there. You could actually hang the lid on both sides if you're putting it down the middle of the table. But it's really fun. You can see pictures of family members from way back when, current pictures. If you're having a rehearsal dinner, the future bride and groom, you can have pictures of them when they were little kids, their family pets, etc. But it makes a really good, intimate get together. What you want to do to make these, like I say, get some old photos and get copies of them. You don't want to mess up the originals. But today we're working with these 3 here. This is actually my nephew when he was a little boy, and when he's getting ready to get married. And this was one of their pets that they had. So you can incorporate all kinds of pictures, whatever is meaningful to you. So just take the lid of the mason jar, just the ring part, center it where you want it to center around the picture, and take your pen and just trace around the outside, because you need this as a guide to cut it out. Okay? Then you want to take your scissors and just cut ever so slightly on the inside ring. Take a nail, hold it at an angle, take your hammer go through, you want to make a hole so you have a hanger to hang it on the side of the jar. Then you want to take your picture that you've cut out. Make sure the top of the picture is at the top of the ring. So you just push that in there right up to the lip. And you could back it with cardboard or whatever, but nobody's going to see the back really. So all I do is take a little bit of tape to secure the back. But you want to make sure it's like pushing right up snug to the front. So wasn't that easy to do that? Then you take a length of, you can use raffia, some jute. I'm going to use some jute here. And all you do is run it through the hole. And you want to tie it to your jar. And however you want to do it, you can hang it low or hang it high. But these are great party gifts as well, because after you're done with them, you can take them off and people can use them as Christmas ornaments if they want for the next upcoming year. Okay, so you just hang it there, put some water in your vase, and just drop your flowers inside. And how easy was that? It really makes a personalized event. These will look great running down the length of a table or a picnic table outside. But you know, mason jars are still trendy, but this is just a way to up the value and the personalization. But get on the horn and call your friends and family to get some old pictures, and this makes a great party design. You know, it's really fun if the bride and the groom, if you're doing it for them, don't know about it. And what a surprise that would be to see all the old family pictures from both sides of the family. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's little entertainment idea. And I do hope you'll visit the online store to see some of the great items we have on there. We do have a sale item collection going on too, so you may want to check that out. It's chmuseums.myshopify.com.